Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka kinhun menteri ka Sorkar jela hasngi balang kal aj Mynjur ya handle tadi ki bill bayade bar katanat Pule Puthi bagentup ya lai tali ki amendment ar tali ki jing Tyrwa ya ki university shimet Thymmai bat kawai ki jing Pynduh no ya ki university repeal. Habakran shikinong thok kubor harian ki jing lang bala penya do menteri rang ba upandat ki sangma unong ai ktian ka Sorkar MDA bat menteri Sorkar uba wailat mi ki shila ulethu Babaro kimat balawan ra hapo ka kinhun menteri ki day na katanat Pule Puthi. Uyathu ba ka kinhun menteri ka Mynjur ka Maharashtra Institute of Technology Meghalaya Amendment Bill arja arpondeu banwan ra ya ka katkum ki kindon ka UGC ka jingpin kala ka dong baulat ka jila undei bandong u visitor kumbalong ki wei ki university hapo ka jila. Ka bill ka terbaru ban pinbo ni ka jingdon nong mi khmat na ka Sorkar ha ka board of management na uwe shiki arngut Bat haka board of governor na uwe shakalaingut. Kum kani kaching penkala la Mynjuru na kabenta ka Mahatma Gandhi University Amendment Bill arajar arpundiw. Ka kinhun menteri ka la Mynjuru ya ka Martin Luther Christian University Amendment Bill arajar arpundiw. Ban khangi ka school ba ban kam shabar hendai tang hapo ka jila Meghalaya. Bat wengno ya ka kindon ban le ka distance education ka bomsha satya yak University Shimen. Ka amendment kala Pynduh noru ka bor ban penyaso yaki college ka bomsham la sha satya hapo ki kindon ka UGC ka kinhun menteri kala aj Mynjuru ya artali ki bill jong ki school ba Thymmai kata ka sister Nivedita University Meghalaya bill arjar pandeu ka Tyrwa ban bu ya ka university habernihat kadba ka Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian University Meghalaya bill arjar pandeu ka Tyrwa ban bu ya ka university hasoyong Kamat Mynjur khaddu kadai ka International Open University Repeal Bill uba wailat ulethu baya ka ak la Mynjur da ka ying dor bar thawan ha ka snam arajar khatwei hendrei kala shu sakut klemtri kam tat hadu usnam arajar arpuar kumta uloong baka kinhun menteri kala rai ban Pynduh no ya ka ak na ba ka kerteng kala penkhen ya ka kindon UGC ya baru kini ki hendeu tali ki bill ansawan ra ha ka dor bar sinrai banwan jong ka ying dor bar thawan ka jila.
All of you. So I'm here to brief on the agendas of today's cabinet meeting held on the 19th August 2026 in the Chief Minister Residence. So today we have 6 formal agendas discussed, and all 6 agendas are from the Education Department. And mostly these are bills. All are bills actually. 3 are amendment, 2 are new bills to be placed in the house, and 1 is the repeal. The number 1 is Maharashtra Institute of Technology Maharashtra Institute of Technology of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2026. Here is in the original bill is that the visitor is usually in the original bill is decided by the sponsoring body, which is like but in all other university the visitor is it's usually used to be the governor. So we are just amending it according to with as per UGC norm, and also as per the act, which is at par with all the other university in our state. That is number 1. Number 2 is that the board of management, we are increasing the member of the representative from the government in the board of management from 1 to 2, and from in the board of governor from 2 to 3. That is the amendment in the first agenda, that is the Maharashtra Institute of Technology of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2026. Gandhi University Amendment Bill 2026, this also same thing, because these 2 universities are like the only university in our state which have followed this in their original act. That is like I already mentioned, the number 1 is like the visitor is used to be decided by the sponsoring body, but now we have amended it that the governor will be the visitor in this university, and the number 2 that the increase of the number of board of management and board of governors. Number 3 is the Martin Luther Christian University Amendment Bill 2026. This also we are following according to the UGC regulation. That is number one, because right now this in the present act, the Martin Luther Christian University can function outside the Meghalaya. But as you all know that the state legislature cannot give permission to outside the jurisdiction of the state. So that's why that is number one. We are limiting the Martin Luther Christian University within Meghalaya. That is number one. Number two is like in their original act they have a clause mentioning that it is they have this distant education, which is like it is not allowed in the private university. That is also we are doing away with it, the distant education. And number three is that the affiliating the college. In the present act, the Martin Luther Christian this Christian University can affiliate college, but which is not allowed as per UGC norm. So that's why that also we are doing away. We are not allowing that the affiliation of the college. So this is with the Martin Luther Christian University Amendment Bill. And the one other new bill, the fourth are Sister Nivedita University Meghalaya Bill 2026. This is a new university which have come forward for approval and have brought the bill. This year will be in Birmingham. So this is a new bill. And the next one is the Khasi Jaitiya Presbyterian University Meghalaya Bill 2026. This also a new bill, and this will be in Soyong. In Soyong. And the last one is the International Open University Repeal Bill 2026. So this act they came to the state legislature. We passed it in 2011. But after 2011, then till 2022, nobody has come forward and they have not done anything. But after in 2022, some people have come forward with the power of attorney. But later on, we came to know that there is a conflict. And at the same time, we feel from the cabinet that because if you see in the name itself, it is International Open University, which is like contradicting. Which international words is there, and the other word is Open University, which is which is not allowed as per UGC norm. So that's why the cabinet feel that it's better in order to avoid any kind of problem in the future. So that's why we are repealing this bill. So these are the 6 agenda we discussed in the cabinet today. We have this the University Regulatory Board. So this have used to sit from time to time, and even this international the decision today we are repealing this International Open University also is based on the recommendation of this board. So this board used to sit and look after all these things.